Hello crochet friends! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple chain stitch. Chain stitches are used for when you're starting a new round, if you're going with the magic circle way, or if you're needing to start a project and it requires you to make chains. So you're going to go ahead and grab your yarn and your hook, and then let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so what we're going to go ahead and start is we're going to make a slip knot. And if you don't know how to make a slip knot, make sure to check out my other video, which shows you how to make a slip knot. So with a slip knot, you're going to go ahead and insert your hook there. And make sure you leave enough room. Make sure it's not too tight, because then you're not going to be able to pull the yarn through. So with your hook, you're going to go ahead and grab some of your working yarn, and you're going to go ahead and pull it through that loop. And that is literally a chain stitch. So again, you're going to go ahead and with your hook, grab some yarn and pull it through the loop here. And you're just going to go ahead and keep going. It is the most easiest stitch that you can learn, and probably one of the fastest ones. And that is your chain stitch.